Welcome to the Hybrid Body Lab Tutorial 6, where we'll walk you through constructing a woven capacitive touch slider using the Tiny Lily microcontroller. Here are the tools and materials you'll need for this tutorial. Start by setting up your loom with 20 warp threads using the thin cotton yarn. Make sure the warp threads are evenly tensioned so the weaving process can run smoothly. Next, prepare your weft. Thread 6.5 yards of yarn through a tapestry needle. Now moving on to plain weave. Here is the sequence you'll follow. On the first row, guide the weft over one warp thread and under the next. Repeat that pattern across the loom. Once you reach the end, use the comb to pack the row downward and keep the structure even. On the following row, reverse the pattern. If the previous row began with over, the next row begins with under. Continue alternating rows to build a stable woven structure. Now moving on to the conductive thread. Cut approximately 1.5 yards of conductive thread and begin weaving it in the same plain weave manner as before. This woven conductive section will serve as the capacitive sensing electrode. After completing the first conductive band, switch back to cotton yarn and start weaving another section. For this project, you will create 3 conductive bands, each approximately 0.5 centimeters thick, with 0.5 centimeters of cotton yarn in between them. Repeat this alternating pattern until you have 3 evenly spaced conductive sections centered within the weave. Once your weaving is finished, connect the Tiny Lily to your computer. Open Arduino and complete the setup. Then open the serial monitor and touch each woven conductive band. If everything is working correctly, you will see the capacitive sensing values increase when touched and decrease when released.